Hi, I'm Emma, LCA Specialist at Ecochain, and I'm going to show you how you can make product comparisons in Mobius. And this can be very helpful because it can help you compare the impacts of different products with one another and get some more insights on where those differences are coming from in order to maybe make more sustainable decisions. The first thing you always need to do when you want to compare one product with another one is select one of the products. I'm here in my product library, and let's say that I am a t-shirt manufacturer and I want to compare my black cotton t-shirt with another black t-shirt, this one, t-shirt polyamide black, to see which one is maybe more sustainable in certain categories. What I'm going to do is just open the t-shirt cotton black. In order to get to the comparison, what I can now do is go to the tools button in the top right and click on comparison. And now of course I need to select the shirt that I want to compare it with. So I'm going to type polyamide. And now it shows the inventories of both t-shirts next to each other. And currently the inventories are expanded, but I can also collapse them to get a little bit more overview. Like this. Of course you need to think about what impact category you want to compare these t-shirts on, because there are a lot of impact categories available and the impact might differ per impact category. So let's say that in this case we want to compare these t-shirts on climate change and water use. The first thing we can do is look at the total impact of the t-shirts. Then we can see that in this case the t-shirt cotton black is doing better in terms of climate change fossil because it has a lower impact, and we can also see where the difference is coming from, and that is from the impact of the fabric. So you see that the cotton fabric has a lower carbon footprint in this case than the polyamide fabric. So that's already interesting insights. But we also want to compare on water use because we think that's very important. So let's switch the impact category. What we can see now is that actually the cotton t-shirt is doing a lot worse than the polyamide t-shirt because the cotton is consuming way more water. So you can see this is way more water than this. It really depends on what you find important and what impact category you are using, what the results are. This already gave us a lot of insights, but actually Mobius has a few other views to compare available as well. So now let's check out the other views that we have to get more insights. So first off, here we have the table view. And in the table view, every item in each product is aggregated to the impact level item. So this is the lowest level item in the inventory, and you can see that if one product contains an item but another one does not, then the column stays empty for this one product, but if they contain the same item, they get the amounts for each different product. We can also show these impact bars here to make the impact more visual. You can also hide them again. If the product you're comparing with, so in this case the t-shirt polyamide black, clearly has a lower or higher impact for one of the items, then the arrows indicate that. So for example here you can see that the polyamide black t-shirt is using less electricity and therefore the impact is a little bit lower, and that's indicated with the arrow. The second results view we have to compare is the stack chart. So in the stack chart you see the two products next to each other, and you can see with the colors that for every item that they have in common, like electricity or natural gas, this has its own color in the legend, and then all of the items that are different for each product are indicated in light blue. However, if you want to see which item it is, you can hover over the graph and see which item it is, and this allows you to relatively easily see where the difference in impact for each product is coming from. For example, in this case we can see that for all the common items the impact is quite similar, but then for the polyamide fibers the impact is way higher, the climate change impact, than for the cotton fibers, clearly indicating the difference between the products. In this video I showed you how you can compare your products in Mobius and how you can use that information to see the differences in impact and make more sustainable decisions. If you have any more questions about this topic or you want to know more, you can consult all of our resources, and good luck doing your own LCA Mobius.